Recycling is making new products from recovered materials. Americans generally want to do the right thing, and one of the right things today is no longer being a throwaway society.
I think most people, you ask most people, they're committed to the environment, they want to help the environment, and probably one of the easiest things that everybody could do on a day-to-day basis is simply recycle.
The easier you make it to recycle, the more effective your program. Friedman Recycling makes it very easy.
The impact of recycling is significant, and it's so easy. And when you look at the volume of material that gets generated through these programs and the amount of resources that we save on a day-to-day basis.
Recycling today is one of the most exciting, dynamic ways we can all be part of the global effort to minimize our enormous impact on this planet.
I think that every elementary school and junior high school needs to tour the recycling plant. I think it'll give them more of an initiative to recycle.
Over the last 30 years, Friedman Recycling has established itself as a recycling powerhouse in the Southwest. Most impressive?
The amount of automation. I really thought there would be a lot more hands-on, and as a result, I'm very impressed by the efficiency of it.
It's crazy how I can look at these bales, and for the most part, I mean, there's all bottles in one and all paper in another. It's just amazing, all the filters they have to get everything out, the magnet throwing the aluminum out.
Recycling tonnage continues to rise dramatically across the Southwest as cities, counties, and states make the commitment to no longer send valuable, reusable, recyclable items to spend an eternity in an expensive landfilling operation.
Well, there's so much activity going on here at one place, and the volume of recycling that goes through here.
Today, Friedman Recycling processes 25 tons of recyclables every hour through automated processes and hands-on separating.
I like the sorters. I like how you saw like the plastic bottles just flying when they were separating. I thought that was really cool.
Recycling is the first step. Then recycling right is the next. Friedman Recycling collects a progressive broad range of items, including clean and dry, plastics 1 through 7, all paper and cardboard items, metals, including cans, pots and pans, and small electronics. Recycling markets determine what Friedman Recycling is able to accept as recyclable, and collecting those items from you is just the first step. The biggest problems with recycling? The processing facility needs clean and dry items. Food contamination is a big problem and degrades the whole load of recyclables. We don't want peanut butter jars with peanut butter left inside, pet food cans with sticky food left inside. So if in doubt, throw it out. That's a good motto to follow when recycling right.
As I've been going along, learning about this is a process that will save the environment.
Americans create almost 5 pounds of trash per person per day. With a population of 300 million and growing daily, it's easy to understand why it's important to divert and reuse resources that we used to throw away. Municipal recycling rates in the United States have increased from just over 6% in 1970 to almost 30% by the year 2000, with many communities today reaching for a 50% diversion rate. What's the future of recycling?
As the technology progresses and as the marketplaces become more and more stable and educated on how to better consume these recyclables, we're going to see more and more materials be allowed to be included in the program.
In the fascinating world of recycling, market expectations and capabilities change constantly. But you can count on Friedman Recycling to stay up to date, investing in the latest technology and responding to the recycling needs of your community.